How to create an account on MoneyGram or sign up to MoneyGram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a MoneyGram account. So to do that, it's really quick and easy. First of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in moneygram.com. After that, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the sign up option on the top right side of your screen. After that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to first of all enter your email address over here. After that, create a new password for your MoneyGram account. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to enter your phone number over here. And once you've entered it, simply tap on the option next. Now you'll have to enter information about yourself, such as your first legal name, your middle name, your last legal name, your second last legal name, your date of birth. After that, you'll have to enter your address, such as your street address, your city, your state, and your zip code. Now, once you've entered all of these, once you tap on the option create profile, you'll have successfully created an account on MoneyGram. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.